everyone! Good evening or magandang gabi for tonight's Learn Tagalog video. I have selected about 8 words and phrases from our page and let's do some pronunciation review. So, let's start. To say nightfall in Tagalog, takipsilim. 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 And next, if you wanna say, it won't happen again in Tagalog, hindi na mauulit. Hindi na mauulit. Mauulit. Hindi na mauulit. Wala ito. Wala ito. Wala ito. That means this is nothing. This is nothing. Wala ito. And halimbawa or example, say you're just feeling sad and a friend approach you and ask you, are you okay? Okay ka lang? And you wanna say, I'm okay. This is nothing. Okay lang ako. Wala ito. Dati yun. That was before. Dati. Dati. Yun. Dati yun. That was before. At nung isang araw or the other day, nag-grocery kami. And I have that video. You can see the link below. Sa ibaba. Sa ibaba. And nag-practice tayo ng Tagalog words or items from the grocery store. And let's just practice some of the longer Tagalog words that was on the video. I have the paminta, paminta, or black pepper. And if you want to say whole black pepper, pamintang, pamintang buo. Buo means whole and paminta is black pepper. You want to send someone to the store and you want to say, buy a ground black pepper. Pamintang durog. Pamintang durog. Durog means ground. So, pamintang buo at pamintang durog. And next, kawali. Kawali. At ito, kawali. Kawali. And last one, sige. 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 It means go ahead, okay, alright. It is also used to ask for something or favor, and it is also used to say, bye, I'm gonna go, or I'm going. And halimbawa or examples, say someone asks you, can I sit here, like beside you? And you wanna say, go ahead. Sige. Sige. It's okay. Go ahead. Okay lang. Sige. And And isa pa, or another example, you visited a friend and you're about to walk out the door and you wanna say, I'm going or I'm leaving. Sige, alis na ako. Or if you're with someone, sige, aalis na kami. Or sige, alis na kami. And then, your friend or your relative can say, sige, ingat. Alright, or okay, take care. Last example or halimbawa, sige na, sige, or you were asking for a favor, or you're asking for something, say, you wanna send your husband to get you something from the store, you forgot to get it the other day, and you said, hon, can you please go to the store and get me this? Or, let's say, a cabbage, or repolyo. And your husband was like, I don't know, I'm lazy, or you need to convince me more. So, you said, sige na, please, please, sige na. And also, if you add pa, sige pa, it means continue or more. Example, you were asked to do something, so you're doing it and you think it was enough, so you stop and you said, maybe this is enough. Siguro, pwede na to. And the person who asked you to do it said, not yet. Hindi pa. Not yet. Sige pa. Sige pa. So, that means you can stop yet. You have to continue or do more. Sige pa. So, that's it for tonight. It's Saturday night or gabi ng Sabado. And I think I'll be done with this video tomorrow. It's past 11. But, still, happy weekend. Good night.